Morning. Happy Tuesday. Well, after rebuilding the inside of this door, I didn't like it. Remember, it was all different, but ended up doing this number, building me a new handle set up. I got that latch finished. Got him a place to latch down there. There you got the safety latched, nice and tight. And then this one, I'm not sure what happened to it, but it quit working. So we had another old Chevy truck out there, so I went and grabbed the latch mechanism out of it yesterday and got it. We're closed now. Everything's nice and tight. So we got that done. Again, I still have to figure out our outside button. I'm still thinking one of those little poppets. That's kind of where I'm leaning. But anyway, everything works good. So I'm gonna go to the other side and get all that stuff built today. I opted to, I had the handle here on the inside, like the old, like most of the Dodge Chevrolet, with so I had to make a relief in the door here for that handle, which meant that I couldn't use this. But now I'm changing that because that handle that I made is right here. There's really no I mean, it's right. That handle would be here, that's right. So I'm just like, nah, I'm not gonna put that there. I'll probably go ahead and make a cover plate here and use this for access. This, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out and put this back so that I can use the button. Like I said, I still haven't figured exactly what I'm gonna do there yet, but I will. So that side is the task for today. I'm gonna go ahead and get the inside handle, get everything switched like this, get this mechanism put in. I gotta pull it out of the other truck yet, so we'll be latched at least. We'll get that far with it anyway. That's a pretty big task right there, so I don't want to overload myself, you know. It's only so much one man can do. Anyway, I'm gonna get to it later.